In this video, I'll be showing you the only method and the new way of how you can accept your admission or reject your admission. Please note this method. This is the only way you can use. No any other way again. Now, before, students used to accept admission through JAMB portal by logging in into JAMB portal, perhaps then accepting the admission or so. But now the method has changed. So this method now, please observe this video to the end. So you will go to your SMS. Now look at my SMS. Look at my SMS here. Then what are you going to do? You will click on this start chat here in your SMS. So then once you've done that, then you are going to send a message to 55019. As you can see it here, 55019. So after doing that, what are you going to send to 55019? You will go to this type message here. Then you are going to type your JAMB registration number, something like 2025. Then the JAMB registration number, let me just guess anyone, 56 4325. Then it used to have two alphabet, like, let me say IH. So if this is your JAMB registration number, after typing it, then you space it once. After spacing it once, as you can see it here, then you are going to type, if you want to accept, you will type accept in capital letter. Accept. You see the way I type accept. Now look at this accept. Don't space it. Do you see? Don't space it. No. So delete it like this. Then let it be like this. Then what I'm going to do, you are going to send. So if you are sending, ensure to send with the SIM card you use to register your what? Your JAMB. I mean the SIM card you use to generate your profile code. That should be the SIM you should use to send. Aside from that SIM, you cannot use any other one again. So then it asks me that messages would like to send a message to 55019. If I want to send, I'll click on, let me cancel it because of I am not accepting any admission. So you can see I said what not sent because I rejected the message. So that is number one. And also I'll be showing you if you want to check your admission status. You understand? Check your admission status using your phone number as well. So how will you go about it? Now look at this one. It's still the same process. You will go to your start chat here. As you can see, you still send a message to 55019. 55019. Okay, as you can see it here. So you can actually send it 55019 or 66019. So what am I going to send? You will go here and in capital letter you type status. Status in capital letter. As you can see, status in capital letter. Then space it once. You're going to space it just once. Then after typing status, then space it once, then you type the exam year you want to check, like the admission status year you want to check. If it is 2025, you will now type 2025 in front after spacing it once, as you can see. So don't allow space, don't give a space after typing 2025. Look at this very well. So let me clear this. So then it has to be like this. So you also send. So it's still asking me that message would like to send a message 55019. Let me try to send this one first and see what it's going to bring. So I've clicked on send. So it has brought up this. Let's see whether there will be any message as well. Nothing yet for now though. So it has sent. It said sent. So for some students that they cannot have access to their phone number they used to register their, you can see now, look at the message it brought. It said no record is found for this registration number. Can you see? So I did mean this JAMB registration number is actually correct. Then what is going to happen is going to show me the status of my admission, whether I've been admitted or not. For students who did not have access to this phone number, so how can you do all these things? You can do it by using your JAMB registration number only. JAMB registration number only. So well, you are going to go to CBT Center to do that. But currently now, I don't know whether it will require you to do biometric thumb printing. You understand? Whether you need to do biometric or thumb printing verification. I don't know yet, because as at now, this video is recorded around July. So anytime you are watching this video, admission is not yet on for now. Like accepting or rejecting admission is not yet on currently now. So by the time admission is on, you can just type it under the comment section that is biometric verification required for those that do not have their phone number, again, like those that cannot access their phone number. And also the SMS we sent earlier, please kindly take note that the SMS will require you 50 naira. Don't forget, require you 50 naira. As you can see, it requires you 15 naira. So if you don't have 15 naira airtime, please go and buy, and it's not bonus. So you can now look at this message I got from MTN now. It says that, dear customer, you have successfully subscribed to JAMB digital service, and 15 naira has been deducted from your what? From your account. Can you see that now? So as you can see, so meaning that they have deducted 15 naira from my account, from my MTN line. Yeah, not bonus. Please take note. It must be your actual number. And then they now sent me this, that no record is found for this registration number. So this is what I have for you. At least students should be able to know how to check, at least students should know how to check their admission status using SMS, and also to accept admission using SMS. Remember I said earlier that admission can only be accepted via SMS only, or if you don't have access to your SIM card again, you can walk down to any nearby CBT center, then to use your JAMB registration number to do that. You understand? But if biometric verification is not required, by the time admission starts, I would have verified that, I would have known that. If it's not required, then you can send your JAMB registration number to somebody, maybe through WhatsApp. You can also send it to me through WhatsApp, so that I will just help you to accept it using our CBT center code. You understand? To accept it, then after accepting it, then I can now ask you to go and print your admission letter. Hope you understand. To go and print admission letter. So please do well to share this video to your friend, your classmates, those who know, those you know that they really need to accept this admission, or they really need to check their admission status. Please share this video to them and give us a like thumb, give us a nice comment, and also please give us a super thanks. I think it's going to cost you 400 naira for the super thanks. It's really going to go a very long way for us. Thank you so much. Nevertheless, please, if you have issue with your admission, or you want me to guide you over your admission, or you want to do any of our educational services, because I'm an educational consultant and I also teach mathematics, teach chemistry via online and physical. We teach post-UTME student, post-UTME tutorial. So any of our services you need, do well to send a message to our WhatsApp number, or maybe just comment under the comment section that you need any of our services. Then we are going to render a seamless and a good service for you. Thank you so much, and I love you. Bye.